Good evening, everyone. At first, I want to say that I will talk about software called TreeShade, and you can install totally free from Adobe Exchange. Write exchange.adobe.com and search in Creative Cloud page for TreeShade. It's totally free, and it works as a local server on your computer, so you can send online forms, dynamic forms for collecting content, and also as an extension for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. And by the way, Adobe Bridge also free. You can make an Adobe account and install without the need for any subscription. So after installing, you will have a file. After installing and creating the root folder, I have this root folder TRSD inside the partition. You will find main.js, Node.js server, execute. You can install Node.js free, it's from Google. And here I have service to connect the local server to the internet through this URL. You can use it also free, but to connect to a specific URL, you need a subscription, about $8 monthly. Today I think of creating a business card project depending on forming content before the design stage. So at first here inside workshop folder, after creating the root folder, TreeShade will create this folder called workshop, and here you're supposed to put your project files and edit them. So inside workshop, let's create a folder. Let's name card, open. Okay. From TreeShade menu in Adobe Bridge, you will find a command called new. You can use this command to create files quickly. These actually files in a specific folder. You can change that folder from here, and any file exists there will be revealed here as a command. So at first I need this ts underscore key. This is the key file for online form. So click here, and let's keep the same name. Okay. Now TreeShade automatically copy the InDesign document from the template also, and auto export it. So wait until the file opened. It's empty file. Opened, exported, and closed. After exporting, Adobe Bridge will switch automatically to the PDF. Okay. Now let's return back to workshop by clicking here, because Adobe Bridge switched automatically to version PDF. So let's click here under workshop to move to the same folder but inside workshop, because these for output in parallel locations, the same relative path but in different root folder, like here inside workshop. If you click here, it's changed to versions, etc. If you change the file name here or move to a different folder, the change will be automatically reflected on the other locations. Okay, now let's create data folder for, and it must be data because here the word data. If this were the content, name the folder content. They must be matched because they pair together. So data, and now let's create the content of the business card. At first, you can select from new menu, select plain, and let's name here the file name. Okay, the employee name. Again, from TreeShade menu, new, plain. Position. And again, contact. Okay, because we have many contacts, let's right click on contact and select switch to the paired, so TreeShade will create automatically a subfolder for the content of contact. Now automatically you browse to contact, and here let's create phone, email, website, okay. You can drag and drop these files to order, like here, at first name, then position, then contact. Let's put any file as placeholder for the logo. So let's take this. Let's name logo. Let's put up top. The folder order, it's not important. The paired file is important in the sort. So the first logo, name, position, contact. Now from TreeShade menu, select update ts sort.txt file. This file store the order of the files depending on the custom ordering you made. Now, if we go back to card, if you double click on this key file, TreeShade will ask you to open the online form. Click yes. you will have this preview for the empty document, and here you have the content. Here the logo, the name, the position, and here sub-content in one group: contact, email, phone, website. Now you can connect the content to the InDesign using live snippet. So let's open the InDesign document. Let's make the dimension for business cards. Let's set the margin. Okay. Now here you can use the live snippets menu to place the content. So click place live snippet. But before choosing place live snippet, you need to open a text frame, and while the text cursor inside the text frame, now select place live snippet, and here write the relative path inside data folder name without the extension. Okay. Now the name placed. Let's create paragraph style. Name. Okay, now we can format. Redefine. Alt Control Shift R. Redefine. Let's make bigger. Redefine again. Okay. You can place the logo in normal way, just drag and drop, or use the place command. Let's create object style for the logo. Let's name logo. And here we must, in frame fitting options, we must check auto fit. So if the end user upload a new logo, it will be automatically fit content proportionally. Let's select this top left corner. Okay, and let's select the object style logo. Let's repeat this. Delete the content, and from live snippets menu, select place live snippet, and here we have position. You can place like this, or you can place as the link. So let's cancel here, cancel. And while the text cursor inside, you can right click on position and select place in InDesign. Place in InDesign. Now it's automatically placed, so no need to write the relative path. Okay. Now here we need to change the paragraph style. Duplicate. Position. Okay. Let's change. Redefine. And now let's place the contact. So while the text cursor inside the text frame, go to contact. Let's place the phone at first. Right click, place in InDesign. Let's go to the end, using the right arrow, enter, to go to the new line. Okay, while the text cursor here, place the email, then the right arrow and enter again, then place the website. Okay, let's format all these as contact. Okay. Let's move here. Okay. You can add the icons at first. So here before the contact phone at the beginning, let's add space, and let's from window type and tables, then glyphs. Here let's place phone, and let's here home, 2 spaces, and here the email, and here at first 2 spaces, and the website. Let's apply character style. It's important because these have different font, flat icon font. So let's create paragraph style. New character style, icon, okay. I can edit and format the icon to make smaller. I can change horizontal scale and vertical scale to 80. Okay. On this 70. I missed this phone, so let's apply the same icon. Okay. Now the design is ready, almost ready, just for illustration. It's align this button. Okay. Let's save the document. TreeShade will ask you to check in, which means auto exporting the PDF file. Click yes. And wait until Adobe Bridge opened and reveal the PDF file. If the PDF file revealed, that means it's finished. So it's revealed here. Now the template is completed here in this online form. Let's refresh. So you have the design here and you have the content here. You can edit the content and reproduce automatically. Let's try that. I want to put the InDesign window on the right so you can see what go. Okay, now I have Adobe InDesign on the right and also Adobe Bridge, and here the online form. This online form have URL, specific URL. You can send this URL to the end user as a customer or a collaborator, and he can change the content. So let's change the content. Let's upload a new logo. Let's upload TreeShade logo, and here my name, here position, the phone and the website. Let's put the installing website here. Okay, now if I click update, the local server will receive the command and automatically open the InDesign document to update the content, auto export the PDF, and reveal the new design online to the end user. in a minute. So now the file opened automatically. I don't touch anything. Update. Now we have the new content in the design document. Here for this situation, we need just to settle the format. Like here, I have Hindi digits, just to change to Arabic. So from Middle East character format, digits, Arabic. Okay. And here, let's make bigger from here like that. Now the graphic designer can just save and check in. If you check in the file, Adobe Bridge will open automatically and reveal the PDF. So wait until the PDF selected. Okay, now we have the PDF. So the end user can just refresh the link, the online form, and the new design will be revealed here with the same content. He can edit. That's it, the general concept. Now we create the content before the design. And after, at first we create the template of the content. Then we can create the design. Then the end user fill the content. Then automatically a new design generated. But this new design need modification. So the graphic designer change the format of the digit and checked in the design. So the online form always have the final design and final content ready to be filled or modified. Okay, that's it. Don't hesitate to reach out for any question. There are many details, big and many features for TreeShade, and we just explored the demo for minimum capabilities. Don't hesitate to ask any question about installing or using, and we can work together for specific solutions on a specific project. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.